I'm Julie Diedrich, Norwex Independent Consultant. Thank you for stopping by my table at the vending event. It was a pleasure to meet you. So you got a sample kit, and in the sample kit is a mini enviro cloth and a mini window cloth. So what you're going to do with these is clean all your shiny surfaces. So you can try to clean a dirty mirror, dirty window, or even stainless steel. So I've got some butter on here, and I've dampened my enviro cloth with just water. Then I flatten it and see how easily it picks up. Then I take my dry window cloth and I dry it and shine it with that. Look at that. No streaks, no lint, a perfect shine, cleaning with just microfiber and water. No harsh chemicals, no paper towels, because all of that is just a waste of money and leaves a chemical residue, which ends up making it harder for you to clean. So this is the size of our enviro cloth normally, and our window cloth in our catalogs. So you can order these online, okay? Or maybe find another vending event I'll be at. So it's gonna end up saving you time, money, and your health, because you're not gonna be using those toxic chemicals that can build up in your body and cause all kinds of health issues, including cancer. We also have a greater way to dust. That's right, this fine microfiber dusting mitt. You just rub the fibers together, run over a surface lightly, and like static, like a magnet, it'll pick it all up into the dusting mitt. So that is another item, and you can actually purchase the 3 of these in a package and save yourself some money. So what are you waiting for? Go to my website or join my VIP group and learn more and order and start your Norwex journey. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I am here to assist you and teach you about not only these products, but many more. We have over 400 products in our catalog. All right. Thank you again for stopping by, and get cleaning.